Hello guys, welcome back to another 3D modeling tutorial video. Today's video was a request by one of my subscribers. In this video, I will show you how to model this part with FreeCAD 1.0. Let's get started. I'm going to pick parametric part template and I am on part design workbench. Let's start the model by creating a base sketch. Click on create sketch command and pick XY plane. Click on circle command and start at the origin and type 150 mm for the diameter and press enter. Click to close the window. Click on pad command and type 5 mm for the thickness. I will make it reversed so the top face is at the origin. It will be easier for next steps. Now I am going to pick this top face and start sketching. Click on create sketch command again. And pick this tool to copy reference lines from existing solid. Click on the edge. Now the outside edge is copied to new sketch as reference. Let's pick the arc slot from this drop down. Click somewhere around here for center of the arc. Then click on this axis. Then click at the origin. Enter 1 mm for the radius. Let's constrain the sketch by adding dimension. Click on dimension and click on outside arc and type 90 mm for the radius. Let's attach these edges by adding tangent constraint. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Close the window. Click on this Helix command. Click here and pick base Z axis. And click here and pick this pitch, turns and angle option. Type 100 for pitch and 2 for number of turns. So we will have 2 sine waves, each 100 mm long. Click OK to finish. Check the model. Now I will add another pad on the top. To do that, I will pick this face and click on create sketch command. If the model is not visible, right-click and select Fit All. Click on Create Circle command and draw a circle at the origin. Type 150 mm, same as the bottom pad diameter. Close the window. Click on pad command type 5 mm for thickness and click OK. Check the model. Now I am going to create a shaft at the center. To do that, I'm going to sketch the circle at the middle of the part so the shaft will be extruded both directions. Click on Create Datum Plane to add sketch plane at the center of the model. Make sure it says Selecting. If not, click on it. Then pick the top face of the bottom pad. And type 100 in Z direction. The plane is created at the center of the model. This plane is useful for multiple purposes, such as mirrored command. You will understand what I mean later on this tutorial. Pick the new plane and click on Create Sketch command. Switch to wireframe display style so we can see all the edges. Zoom in and draw a circle at the origin. Make it 15 mm. Close the window. Switch back to shaded style. Click on Pad command. Type 250 for the length. And check Symmetry to Plane option. Click OK to close the window. Now I am going to add a keyway for the shaft. So I pick this top face of the shaft and pick Create Sketch command. Click on Centered Rectangle command from this drop-down. Click on X-axis somewhere here. And type 5 mm for the width and 3 mm for the height. Right-click to exit the command. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained by dragging the lines. It's not fully constrained. Click on this command to copy external lines from existing solid, so we will constrain the rectangle with the external line. Pick this outside edge. The edge is copied to current sketch. Pick this point and this circle and click on this constraint. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Click to close the window. Click on Pocket command. And pick Up to Face from this drop-down list. Now the keyway is created. Okay, now I am going to mirror this cutout to bottom side. I will use the same mid plane we have created a while ago. Turn on the visibility of datum plane and select the pocket and click on Mirror command. Pick Select Reference from this drop-down and pick the mid-plane. The keyway is mirrored at the bottom. Click OK to close the window. Turn off the visibility of the plane. Let's change the color of the model. Let's add small radius to these edges. Select couple of edges and click on Fillet command. Click on Select and click to add all other edges. Click OK to close the window. Let's make the radius a little bigger. Check the model. It looks good. Thank you for watching my videos. I will be uploading at least 2 videos per week, so please subscribe and you will not miss my videos. See you soon.